Today, we're touring a building that I've actually never featured on this channel before, DuPont Tower in Punta Pacifica. And after walking through 5 different apartments in this building, I quickly realized something. The layouts here vary way more than I had expected. But today, we're focusing on this unfurnished 2-bedroom apartment that immediately stood out to me because of the kitchen space. We're going to tour this apartment, check out the building and amenities, discuss a bit on accessibility, and take a quick driving tour of the neighborhood. Welcome to DuPont Tower. Let's take a look inside. Hello, my name is Aisha. I travel the world with cerebral palsy, sharing the real side of expat life, honest travel tips, and my journey towards multiple citizenships. At 46, I left my career as a utility director and moved to Panama. 31 countries and counting, I'm proving life abroad has no limits. To the left of the front door, you have the half bath with a vanity and a vent fan. Please note that the electricity was not turned on while we were touring this unit. As you turn the corner, you enter the living and dining room area and you have the balcony, but more on that later on. One of the showstoppers for me was the spacious kitchen. It has a gas stove, a vent fan, double sinks, a dishwasher, plenty of counter and cabinet space, and this huge refrigerator. This is the largest one I've seen thus far while apartment hunting. Next, we have a little nook with windows that you can open for a cross breeze since they're across from the balcony. Behind this door, we have the maid's quarters. It has a stacked washer and dryer, a full bathroom, and a great storage closet with ample closets, racks, storage bins, and a window. I forgot to mention that the majority of this apartment has central AC. Let's head on over to the balcony. I want you to listen to the difference in the noise after I open the balcony door. It isn't noisy, but you can hear the difference, which speaks volumes for the quality of the pane glass sliding doors. Let's head on over to the bedrooms. I like that they have a door to close off these 2 areas. The main bedroom is to the right. It has a full-length mirror mounted on the wall, as well as a mount for your TV. It has a storage area with shelves and the same view as the balcony. It also has a walk-in closet. Next is a bathroom that has a unicorn of Panama, a bathtub. It has his and her sinks and a walk-in shower with a window. I like that there's another little closet right before this open space, which could be used for numerous things. I would use it as an office. Please note that it does have its own AC unit. This area was another showstopper for me. The next bedroom has a full bath with a vanity and a walk-in shower and a window. This bedroom has city views, a walk-in closet with shoe racks, and its own AC unit. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this apartment was thus far. This building has 2 security checkpoints, one guard at the gate to enter the property and another one once you enter the building. Residents use a key card to enter. It has 3 elevators and one for maintenance that I didn't get a chance to record. This is a 50-story building. There are 2 sets of floor buttons and a TV for announcements. They have a sign for no pets in these elevators, so they must use the one for maintenance. The pool, gym, sauna, and kids' play areas are all on this floor. The realtor mentioned that they will be expanding the gym. The building has a ramp to access the lobby as well as having automatic front doors. The door to the pool area looked wide enough for a wheelchair to enter, but I would inquire about its width just to be on the safe side. The door to the kids' room does not look wide enough. This bathroom is not accessible. There was another door that I passed before this one that I forgot to open, so I don't know if that was an accessible one. I do not think a wheelchair could enter the sauna. The pool has a handrail for these stairs, but not the other section to the left. As for the apartment itself, I didn't have time to pay attention to the width of the doors, so I would ask a realtor for the dimensions. But the half bath does not have enough space to effectively maneuver a chair. The kitchen has ample space. It looks like a tight fit to enter the bedroom area, and the bedroom closet does not seem wide enough for a wheelchair, and the bathtub sits right in front of the bathroom entrance. Let me know in the comments if you think a wheelchair can fit through the second bathroom door frame. Its location is in the upscale Punta Pacifica neighborhood. You're a hop, skip, and a jump away from Avenida Balboa, Multi-Plaza Mall, cultural attractions, and the key business hubs. And while Punta Pacifica is known for its skyline and high-end residential towers, it's also practical. You have a foodie grocery store, coffee shops, dry cleaning, and 2 pharmacies all within this neighborhood, as well as the JW Marriott Hotel and Residences, which has several popular restaurants. I want to give a special shout out to the channel members for your continued support. It means more than you know. Gracias! I also want to give a shout out to those who have donated via Buy Me a Coffee, aka a Mojito. Also to those who have commented, shared, liked, and given video hypes. If you enjoy this type of content, watch this one up next. And remember, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.